This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iOS 17 battery drain issue. So if your iOS device battery is draining faster after you update to iOS 17 version, follow these simple steps to fix this issue. The first solution is restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart to your iPhone and then check the issue. The second solution is use low power mode. Turn off low power mode. Go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down. Tap on battery. If you enabled low power mode, disable low power mode. And enabling low power mode is very harmful for your iPhone battery. So make sure to disable this option for all times. And if you're still having the same issue, then all you have to need, you can downgrade iOS 17 to 16. And hope any of this solution will fix your iPhone battery drain issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.